Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, is brought to you by AMSOIL, the first in synthetics. Campbell's Custom Care, your detail specialist. And by DragonfireTools.com, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage.
I've been an automotive technician for over 30 years and been teaching automotive technology for over 25. One thing I know, routine maintenance works. And when you look at this chart right here, you can see the top's riddled with check marks. What is that? If you read right there, check engine oil level and oil life percentage. Change engine oil and filter if needed. Well, I'm going to show you right now. It's definitely needed. This one here, not so much. Didn't get any oil changes. Definitely didn't use AMSOIL, I can guarantee you that. And you can see right here, this is actually a Toyota engine. It's an overhead cam engine, so those are actually where the camshafts have been removed and the lifters are there. I mean, look at the crud and the oil galleries, all totally plugged up, not getting any oil anywhere. And if that wasn't bad enough, there's the oil pan. I mean, it is full of goop. Now, AMSOIL makes it so that doesn't happen, Len. The website is so easy to use, man. Why don't you walk us through it?
That's correct. You know, the thing of it is that the technology is one thing, but getting the right products is a whole nother. So we've spent a ton of time on this website. And what you can do here, just for today's purposes, we'll look at the Shop All category, and it pops up all of the different products that we have, from motor oil to floor mats to decals. But for today's purpose, we'll look at motor oil. And we'll go to gasoline since it's the top of the list. And then what happens here is it pulls up all of our gasoline motor oil products. And you can start scrolling through and you can look at our Signature Series products, as you and I have talked about many times. You can go all the way down to our OEM products, which are designed to be changed when the car tells you to change its oil. But let's pick one just for the fun of it. If you want more information on our products, you click on the actual product, you go in and you can look at a data bulletin. You can look at any type of testing that we've done. It's all right there, 2 clicks away, very easy.
You also have some actual specs on the product itself.
That's correct. Like I said, there's tests in here, all kinds of good stuff. I mean, anything you want to know about the product is basically in there.
Boy, that's so easy. You can get on there and do it during a commercial break. You can find it all at AMSOIL.com.
Our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is Joe Boucher out of Branson, Missouri, and man, he has a great story. Now, Joe bought a brand new Z28 in 1973, but he says he quickly came to realize that because of government regulations, the car was way down on power. So he set out to change that and worked on modifications between 1975 and 1978. But as these things often happen, life got in the way and Joe put the car in storage, and there it sat for 38 years. In 2017, Joe got back to work on the Camaro with some help from his mother. Joe says that his mom, Italia, helped him with everything from sourcing parts to helping change out the engine and transmission. Bruised knuckles and all, she was amazing. Now, Italia has since passed away, but Joe says he's realized her goal was not to actually build a cool Z28. It was all about building a great relationship with her son. Well, mission accomplished. Joe says, I'll never forget that most special time we shared together building my dream car so many years ago. And Joe says he's acquired other collector cars over the years, but the 1974 Z28 is his favorite, not because it's the best car he's owned, but because he and his mom built it together. Now, Joe went to MotorheadGarage.tv to tell us his story, and if you would like to do the same, you could be our Motorhead of the Week presented by PaintedAutoParts.com. Just tell us why you or someone you know should be deserving of that title. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com, so do not go anywhere.
The first steam-powered road-going vehicle was invented in 1769, and steam power remained popular for another 150 years. Early steam engines had boilers that had to be lit by hand and took about 20 minutes to build up pressure. Furthermore, steam-powered cars only had about a 30-minute supply of water on board, a far cry from the high-tech cars that we drive today.